Welcome to this session of graphing a point of intersection for two lines. In order to do this task, we're going to do two things. First, we're going to graph line 1 and line 2, and second, we're going to show algebraically that our point of intersection is correct. So let's do part 1. Let's graph line 1 and line 2. Here are the two equations. Line 1 is x divided by 3 minus 8. Line 2 is negative 3x divided by 2 plus 3. To graph the first line, what you're going to do is three things. First, find the y-intercept, then graph the second point, and then graph the third point, and draw a straight line through these three points. So let's begin with the y-intercept. The y-intercept is 0, negative 8. This is the b value. So let's do that. Let's plot negative 8 first on the y-axis. So start at 0, 0, and then drop 8 units down and plot your first point, like so. To find the second point, use your slope, which is x over 3, which is 1 over 3. That means go 1 unit up and go 3 across. Then plot your second point, like so. Lastly, again, use the slope and point from here, the second point, and just carry along as we did earlier. Go 1 unit up and 3 across. Plot your point, and now lastly, draw a line through these 3 points, like so. Now let's do line 2. We're going to plot 3 points, and we're going to first look at the b value for the second equation, which is positive 3. So start at the origin, go 3 units up. We're going to try that again. Go 3 units up and plot your first y-intercept for the equation. Now to plot the second point, we have to look at the slope. It's negative 3 divided by 2. So that means go down 3 units and go across 2 units and plot your point. For the third point, repeat the process. Go down 3 units and go across 2. Now that you've done that, we could draw a straight line and continue, and we'll get to this point here. Or we could just continue one more step, is to plot 4 points and get to the desired point of intersection as follows. So from here, go down 3 units and go across 2 and plot your point. Now just draw a straight line through these 4 points, like so. So let's now do part 2, which is to show algebraically that this is true. So let's look at the value of 6. When x is 6, we replace the value x with 6, and 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 minus 8 is negative 6. So 6, negative 6 lies on equation 1. For equation 2, put 6 in the place where x is, replace x with the value of 6, and you get 6 times the negative 3, which is negative 18, divided by 2 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. So 6, negative 6 is a solution. It lies on this equation and this equation. So to repeat in conclusion, we have drawn line 1 and line 2 as follows. And lastly, we have shown that by algebraic means, the point 6, negative 6 is a solution for equation 1 and 2.